Hello everyone, and welcome to the Unity Interface Training course. The first thing you need to do is go to the Unity website, navigate to the download page, and click on the download button. Wait for the download to finish. I have already downloaded and installed it, so for you, it's enough to simply install Unity Hub with a few clicks. After installing, open Unity Hub. Now, to create a project, we also need to download an editor. To download the editor, go to the Installation section and click on Install Editor. Here, you can choose which version to download. Version 6.3 is the latest long-term support, LTS, version. Since Unity itself recommends this version, just click Install, select the options you want, and make sure you include Visual Studio if you need it for coding. Next, choose the platform you want to build your game for, Android or iOS. Then click Continue. Check the agreement box and click Install. Now you will see the editor downloading. Wait until the download is complete.